Essay on Constitution Day of India. Introduction. Constitution Day in India is widely known on the 26th of November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India on the same date in 1949. It was first observed in the year 2015 and since then is regularly celebrated each year. Constitution Day of India. History. The Constitution Day of India was first observed in the year 2015, which also marked the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. The contribution of Dr. Ambedkar in drafting the Constitution of India was unparalleled to anyone else. He was also the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee. His tremendous hard work in the drafting of the Constitution has also earned him the sobriquet Father of the Constitution. Hence, the Government of India took a historic decision in November 2015 to celebrate Constitution Day every year on 26th of November. An official gazette notification in this regard was released on 19th November 2015. Importance of Constitution Day. Constitution Day is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of the Indian Constitution by the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution is the supreme governing document of the people of India, hence it holds much significance. Also, by celebrating the Constitution Day, the people and children not only realize the importance of the Constitution but also remember stalwarts like Bhim Rao Ambedkar and others. Conclusion. The decision to celebrate Constitution Day was a welcoming decision of the Government of India. It not only commemorates the adoption of the Constitution but also honors those who were involved in the laborious task of drafting it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.